how's it going, guys? My name is Phantom Gamer. I actually forgot my own name then. But yeah, we're joined by something. Yeah, that was an awful Irish impression. Anyway, today we're doing a video on opening these. I don't know if you know what these are, but they're like the Lego Create the World packs. And there's 4 cards in each. We've got 6 packs. So let's get cracking. First pack, we've got. Oh boy. Okay, we've got.
That looks interesting.
So in the first pack, I'll show you the normal cards. We've got. I don't know what she's called. I'll try and get a better look for you. Skater Girl. The Alien Trooper, that says. And then we've got the Trendsetter, which is a weird thing. And then our Create card, the red sparkly cards that give you the chance to create it, is a tree.
In the second packet, we have a banana. Banana guy.
Banana guy, like a weightlifter dude. Weightlifter. Paintball player. I've already got him.
And then we have the Create card, a monkey.
Cool.
And then over to whatever your name is.
My name is Phantom. Well, my channel's called Phantom Gamer, but you guys can just call me Phantom. Oh, and if you go down below and you subscribe, you'll be joining the Phantom Gang. So oh god, it's another duplicate tree. No, I hate it when you get duplicates in life. Okay, I've already got these. Oh, I haven't got this guy. Well, actually I do, because I opened some packs earlier, not on camera.
So the fourth packet is, we have, hopefully it's a rare card. The first one we have is the Ocean King. And then we've got like a sad clown.
He's like a mimey person.
Then we have
a hippie. Oh, I already have the hippie. I already got the hippie.
Then we have dinner waiters. Then we have a koala. How does that packet have 5 in it?
Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's a ew. It's a weird packet. We got a packet that had 5 cards in. That's cool, but it doesn't really matter.
Cool.
That's cute.
Yeah.
That's cute. Cute.
We're talking about. It's so disgusting.
Okay, stop. Okay. So then in the, I don't know how many packs we're from. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the 5th pack, that means the next one will be our last one. In the 5th pack, we have
a monkey.
Another monkey. So yeah, there we go. If we get duplicates, I'll show you the spark card first, because it's normally a duplicate. Then we have another weightlifter. He's a duplicate. We've got another skater girl. But we've got a new one, banana guy.
We have 2 of them.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
I don't.
Yes, we do.
Do we?
Yes, I'll show you.
Excuse me, Armin. How's it going, guys? My name's Phantom Gamer. I just started the intro before the video even started. I'm doing the last pack. I'm signing off. It's my channel. Okay, thank you. Sorry about the thing. The camera bugged out and stopped recording. So
yeah,
I'm filming a second half, and I'll try and merge it together as best as I can. There will be like a pause thing, and it will be noticeable, but it's not really gonna affect the video. I can't. Why is it so hard to open packs?
You're weak.
I'm not a weakling. Ew, now I've got plastic on my fingers. Oh, I have a new one. That's a cool one. So yeah. I already have one of these. It's an Asian thing. Asian house. Then I already have the small clown. Where is he? He goes over there. But we've got the Wicked Witch. I already have her. But I've got a new one. The Frightful Knight. AKA my twin. Yeah. So, that'll be probably it for the video.
So goodbye.
See you